Cover the quick and easy steps to install Microsoft Teams on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC with our straightforward tutorial. Microsoft Teams is an essential collaboration tool for virtual meetings, chats, and teamwork. Whether you are a student, professional, or just getting started with Teams, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. Follow along as we demonstrate the hassle-free installation process, ensuring you are ready to connect and collaborate seamlessly. Watch now and empower your team with Microsoft Teams. To install Microsoft Teams on Windows 11 or Windows 10, follow these steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Step 2. Look for the Download for Windows button. Step 3. Click on the button to start the download. Step 4. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click on it. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Microsoft Teams on your computer. Step 6. After the installation is complete, you can sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one to start using Teams for communication and collaboration.